cloudy conditions, water falling from the sky, tsunami warnings, full moon around the corner. Bite's got to be good. Let's go see if we can get a tap and a tug. Let's go fishing. Hey, so it's about 8:30 Saturday, January 15th. As you can tell, it's out in the water. Got water falling from the sky. It is raining. Tsunami warning till I think it was like 8 o'clock or something, but it's past 8. Anyway, what we're fishing today, we're gonna try these Slam Shady soft jerk baits. I'm gonna start off with that on a EWG. I think it's a 1/0, and hopefully the bite is on. With water falling from the sky, pressure's maybe dropped a little bit. Maybe they're ready to feed. So let's see if we can do anything with it. I'm gonna hook it weedless, of course, because there are some weeds out here in San Diego, of course, and we will see if we can get a bite on. There's just a few inches above, or half an inch. Slide it up, turn it around. There's a lot of YouTube videos on how to hook a rig it weedless, so I'm not the best person to teach you on this, but you can watch an amateur do this. And text pose that. Now it's all weedless, weightless. First cast. Let it sink to the bottom. It's probably gonna slowly sink. Maybe someone will pick it up on the way down. I think we're fishing outgoing tide right now. The tide's pretty high right now. Maybe 2 hours. 2 hours in the outgoing. Not sure when low tide is. I'll flash that on the screen, but it is, yeah, 8:30 right now. One thing nice about these jerk baits is you could fish in many different ways. Right now I thought I was gonna let it sink, but I think it floats. It's the first time fishing this the Salt Strong jerk shad. And it looks like it floats pretty well. So you could fish at top water or subsurface. So let's try. Since it doesn't sink that well, I'm gonna try top water and see if we can get a bite on it. Not, I will weight it and I will allow it to sink a little bit, and we'll fish it and did the different water columns. Oh my gosh. Son of a gun. Dang it. Wow, what the heck? Okay. Tide is going out, but tide's going in. That tsunami watch might be for real. it watched the water creep. This is supposed to be outgoing tide, but it looks like it is an incoming tide, and it's going fast. Okay, let's wheel up here, and we will go to slightly higher ground. Feel sorry for these guys here. They're out in the water, and they are paddling away. Look at the water line. Amazing. That's crazy. I didn't realize it. My shoes. I was standing in the water because it's coming up so fast. It is 9:30, 9:34. Got one bite that broke me off. That was about 30 minutes into the day, and I want to keep fishing, but geez, look at the water. That's crazy. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to aim it underneath these boats here, and the water level is coming up crazy fast. So let's oh look, it's a sea lion. Water's hindering me, tsunami is hindering me. Now a sea lion's threatening all my fish that I'm supposed to be catching. Oh, what are we gonna do? I hope those guys out there are safe. I will stand up here and make a few casts. Should take a little while. Wow, look at this. This is crazy. I was here and look at the dock. My goodness. It's almost, the whole pilings are submerged. Well, I'm gonna go back where I lost that fish. I think it was a bass because it got me snagged up on the rocks and broke me off. Maybe he wants to play again. So tide is coming in. And pushing bait fishing, hopefully. What you doing, buddy? Looking for fish? So am I. Tell me where they're at. Well, it's just about 10:30 right now. 2 hours after I started. Water is rising again. Notice the dock there. What I've been fishing basically was that soft plastic jerk shad. Now I have it. I've been fishing it probably for an hour now with a split shot on it, which got me one bite, which I lost. Now this is the second one. Nothing since, so I will be downsizing, and hopefully I can catch some fish for you. Fish on, fish on! Stop losing this time. Oh yeah, oh yeah, it's a Hallie. It's a Hallie. There we go. Fish on, no skunk. No skunk. Little Hallie, I'll take it. I will take it. After all this, woohoo! Do not lip him. Do not lip him. Yo, gotcha, buddy. Gotcha. Look at them teeth. Do not want to get bit by them teeth, that's for sure. Alright, let's get you unhooked. Okay. Let's get you released without them falling in the water. Down here. Picture of you. Wrong way, buddy. Go, go, go. There you go. Well, it's a crazy day. Saw the power of tsunami tides and how water just flows right in. Good day though. He gave me 2 bites. He gave me 1 fish to catch and 1 to share. So thank you guys for watching, and hopefully he'll give me more days to fish. Take care.